Sunday! What a beautiful day! Come play with me! Hi there! Isn't the snow wonderful? Let's go explore! Yay, snow!
Hello friends, come sing today. Season's fun is on the way.
Yay,
I'm
it's
Lily
snowing!
here
I
in
love the
winter
snow.
bright.
So pretty!
Snowy days feel
Wow,
so
look at the
delight. Summer
So
warm and winter cold. Which one's best? Let's be bold. I love summer, sunny
Wow, look at my ice cream
skies.
swirl!
Ice cream treats
it's like
and
magic. The squirrel is dancing. Wow, butterflies!
I love winter, cozy fun.
Ready to put the head on?
Snowman
Yeah,
smiles
let's do it.
for everyone.
Yay!
Splash, 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 so cool. Jumping in the swimming pool. Strawberry, vanilla, sweet.
So fun! Look, look!
Summer ice cream is a treat. Kites go
Wow, look at the lights and
flying way
stars.
up high.
It's so beautiful and
Painting
magical.
colors in
This is
the
the best
sky.
day ever.
Picnic
Look at all the
mats
yummy
and
things.
fruits to eat. Summer days are really neat. Run and play the whole day long. Summer makes us happy, strong. Snowflakes falling from the sky. Winter whispers passing by. Roll, roll, roll the snow. Snowman smiling, hello, hello.
Poured in! Yay,
A
all done!
warm, warm cocoa sip.
What a perfect day for the beach.
Winter
Time for a
hugs
walk along the
every
shore.
sip. Scarf and gloves keep us tight. Winter
Whee, this is
days
so
feel
fun.
snug and right.
Yay, more snow!
And toes on the ground. Biggles, giggles all around. Summer, winter, both are fun. Every season's number one. Clap your hands and sing along. Seasons make our world so strong.
So warm and
Hot or
yummy.
cold, rain or snow, we love seasons as they go. Tell us, friends, what you like best. Season song beats every test. Bye bye, friends. See you soon. Sing again this happy tune. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.